Speaking of stress, they say a joke. How can you distinguish the staff from the patients in a mental asylum, in a crazy house? The answer is the staff have the door key. So this world is increasingly becoming a madhouse, and you better get a door key. This course will provide you just that. Living with stress constantly is a very inconvenient thing and also problematic and dangerous. This is like living with a huge burden on your head or shoulders. People do carry huge loads when required, but then they put them down when they reach their destination or when the work is over. But imagine a situation where you have to carry your load home. Can you imagine that? Not only that, you have to take a shower with the load on, and you have to take dinner with the burden still on you, and even sleep with it without putting it down. Can you imagine? No one could live like that. Not only that, next morning you wake up with this huge load still on your head, and you are going to the loo, oh my God, trying to balance it on your head, then breakfast, and then driving back to work with the freaking weight still on you. Does it sound ridiculous or crazy? No, it is not. It is the story of you and me and everyone around us. In this series, we will learn how to put your weights down and lead a happy and healthy life. In modern civilization, we have simply forgotten how to put weights down. Rather, we are piling more on top of what already exists. And the worst thing is, often we are not even aware that so much weight we are carrying on our shoulders, and we need to put some of it down. Bhagavad Gita 7:15 says, Namam dushkritino mudha prapadante naradhama. The word mudha here refers to a hard-working beast of burden. Most often, we work very, very hard, day and night, to clear the burden of self-created duties.